Edo won't cede land to agitators by Oba of Bini. The Oba of Bini said that no part of Edo State land will be carved out to join Anioma State. He's talking about Ibanke and other Ika-speaking communities in Edo State. The Igbos in Edo State are called Ika people because their dialect is called Ika. They are brothers with the Ika people in Delta states. Ika people are Abo people, Umunede people, Akomazi people, Iboro people, and many others. Their language is Igbo language. Their dialect is called Ika. Their region is called Ika. Part of those Ika people were carved into Edo State by Ogbemudia. The mother of Ogbemudia is from Ibanke, and his father is a Bini man. He wanted the community of his father and that of his mother to be in the same states. That was how he carved Ibanke people and other Ika-speaking people into Edo State. And today, those Ika people are suffering from it because the Oba of Bini is marginalizing these people. If you go to the communities of these Ika people in Edo State, there is no single development there. Iru community is an Ika-speaking community in Edo State. This community not get third road. When we, the Igbo Unification Movement and the Asoba Socio-Cultural Organization, visited the Iru community, these people don't have third road. This is our picture with the Okpalauku of Iru community. If you enter this community, you're gonna say suffering dey this community. They don't have lights, they don't have good schools, they don't have healthcare, they don't have road. Development not dey this community, suffering dey this community. If to say that they for Delta State, they're not going to suffer. Go to Ibanke community. Ibanke is a very big community. They're not they get lights. They not get good road. No infrastructural development. Nothing there for Ibanke. The way the name Ibanke, they trend online, Ibanke. You go think say this place go fine where they develop to. If you enter that community, you go cry for these people. The Oba of Bini is an expansionist. We all know that Bini Obas are all expansionists. Right from the first Oba of Bini to this one where they now. Now expansionist these people be. All they know how to do is to be grabbing people's land. Now so that they grab the land of Yoruba people in Edo State. Now so that they grab the land of the Igbo speaking people in Edo State. Now so that they claim say now them boneless and people, they claim to grab their land. When Ibanke people were ceded to Edo State, the Oba of Bini then told the kings of Ibanke people that they need to be united to have a common front. They can't tell Ibanke king say, make them, they call them Enogie. Ibanke king can say, okay, no wahala. So far make peace, make we coexist with each other. Ibanke kings not know say, that Enogie whether they call them so, now to reduce their level to that of a chief. And because of that, that Oba of Bini and Bini people constantly see Ibanke kings as chiefs. They reduce them to the level of chiefs. When this thing happen, Ibanke community hear this thing. All of them know where this thing happen. When they change the title of their Obi to Enogie. Go Ibanke, ask them question, they will tell you the same thing what they tell you. The Oba of Bini enter Ibanke, come build one school for that place. He build the school, say, make them they teach Ibanke children Bini language. Ibanke people can say, which kind of that say our children go to go school instead of to learn our language, we'll come to learn Bini language. They say that one not going to happen. They're not allowed their children go to that school. Their children not agree go to that school. That was how that school collapsed and died. All this information where they tell us so now waiting the elders of Ibanke talk. Few months ago, the Oba of Bini suspended 4 kings in Ibanke community. Ibanke na community where we say there be autonomous communities, but those kings and their communities come together as a people. But they retain their kingship position. This king, they control in community. This one, they control in community. But all of them, they bear one name called Ibanke. That community have 6 kings. Oba of Bini suspended 4 kings in Ibanke land. Wetin give Oba of Bini the right to suspend Ibanke kings from their throne? Not be him born them. Those kings are not descendants of the Oba of Bini. He suspended them because the law of Nigeria not dey work. If to say the law of Nigeria dey work, who be Oba of Bini to suspend another king like him? So until we say na government go do, we go talk say okay, na government do am. We go start to the lobby, dey negotiate. Make government not comot our king. Now Oba of Bini get right. They suspend the king in an Igbo speaking community. And because of that, we in the Asobia socio-cultural organization and the Igbo unification movement, we say no say we not go there alive. This kind of thing will happen. We stood up and started defending Ibanke people. We did everything possible within our power to see that Ibanke people are being liberated from the Oba of Bini. Bini people were saying that Ibanke kings were never called Obi, that they are known as Enogie. That was the argument that Bini people were using to fight Ibanke people. And because of that, the Obi of Olige in Ibanke brought out a document, a 1934 document. And in that document, the Obi of Olige was called Obi of Olige. That time during the colonial era, now British writes that thing. Obi of Olige. Look at it here. Immediately, we post this document online. Bini people shut up. Now, this document silenced Bini people. This document was proof that Ibanke people are not Bini people. That their kings are not called Enogie, but Obi and Eze. Ibanke people started protesting, demanding to join Anioma State through boundary adjustment and be with their Ika brothers. Ibanke people did not say that they don't want to join the Southeast, that they want Anioma State to be in the South. They didn't say anything like that. All they want is to have Anioma State, whether in the Southeast or South. May they just come up for that Edo State, coexist with their brothers. Iru people, the same thing. Another Ika communities in Edo State, they want to join Anioma State to be with their brothers. Here now, Oba of Bini, the expansionist, they talk, say, no part of Edo State will join Anioma State. Is he the owner of Ibanke land? Ibanke people have been in that land before Bini people invaded Idu kingdom from Ile-Ife. Bini people you see today are Yariba people. That's why if you go Bini kingdom, they have Yariba deities, Olokun, Ogun, Sango, Yemoja and others. All those deities now waiting follow them, come from Ile-Ife, come invade that land where they did so. So Bini people have that spirit of expansion, expanding into people's territories. Ibanke people will tell you how many wars that they have fought with Bini people in the past. How Bini people they invade them to conquer them. If you go Ibanke now, they go show you pits where their ancestors dig, where they hide that time. They fight with Bini people. During the Biafra war, Bini people killed so many Ibanke people that ran into their land for safety. Some people going to say, "Hi, they know this is where they talk." This is not just hearsay. This is confirmed historical events. The first dynasty in Ibanke arrived at their location during the 1100s, 1,000 years ago. Bini people invaded Idu kingdom 900 years ago, if not 800 and something years ago, because they invaded that land in the late 1200s. Ibanke people said that the reason why they are using that Ada and Eben is because when they went to the Oba of Bini after they were ceded to Edo State, that now Oba of Bini carried that Ada and Eben give them. They said that what they were using in the past is Ofo. They said that what they use is Ofo. How these people can't they use Ofo if they not be Igbo people? This is to tell you that all these Ada and Eben where Bini people they talk say any community where they use Ada and Eben now Bini kingdom, those people are Bini children, now Bini people they be. Ada and Eben is not our origin. Now just waiting Bini people till they show dominance that year. There are so many ways to acquire that Ada and Eben. If Oba of Bini like you, if he make you chief for in cabinet, he go give you Ada and Eben. If Bini people see them, they talk say you be Bini descendant, say you be Oba of Bini pikin because of say they use Ada and Eben. As a chime they use Ada and Eben, not be Bini man. Ezemu, the founder of Ubuluku, he dey use Ada Neben, but not be Bini man. Ika people they use Ada Neben, but they don't be Bini people. So Bini people should know that Ada Neben is not our origin. What Ibanke people use is Ofo. The kings of Ibanke, they still have their Ofo, showing that they are Igbo people to the core. These people not be Bini people. Oba of Bini, why are you trying to expand into the land of people that don't speak your language? Bini people, they thought say Ibanke people they speak Bini language before. Say now Igbo people welcome join them. Now can change their language. You people and the Ibanke people on a day boundary. How people can come inflict the language of Ibanke people? These Bini people can lie, liars, just to claim people. That is what they do online. Ibanke community have crude oil and gas. If you go Ibanke community, they get gas and crude oil for their land. Now this is now about Bini they fight for, make it secure that place, make they collect money where they come from that place. How you go to talk say no land of Edo State will be ceded out? Are you the owner of Edo State? People where they drag they talk say they no one day for Edo State again. Ibanke community, all of them they talk say they won't leave Edo State. You still they say no, say me they don't leave that place. Now you get their land. Land grabbing, selfishness. You won't claim Ibanke people, make you take the resources where they their land. This is why we are calling on Ohaneze Igbo to stand with Anioma State. This is why we are calling on all Southeast governors and politicians to stand with Senator Ned Nwoko. Let's actualize this Anioma State and zone into the Southeast. Because Anioma State cannot be actualized if you did not join Southeast. If we not get Anioma State now, we not go get them later. Even if the slots come and say, may the actualized state for South-South, Anioma State will never be chosen by South-South people. They will choose another state. Southeast, you people should stand with we Anioma people. Let's get Anioma State and zone into Southeast. The Oba of Bini cannot stop the Ika people in Edo State not to join Anioma State. You not go fit stop him. Not being the federal government, not being the Tinubu. It's not the law. No part of Edo State will be ceded to another state. Are you the owner of Edo State? Ibanke people don't take their land before you come. Because Portuguese give una weapon that time to the invade communities. You are invading communities, killing other kings there, imposing your children on them. It's on record. History has it that Oba Eware the first in Bini conquered 201 kingdoms. All those people where he conquer, they not be Bini people. He was busy invading Yoruba people in Ondo states, invading communities in Esan land, invading communities in Igoromigodo, invading communities in Anioma land. This is what they tell us so now documented history for Bini. Bini people documented it. So that expansionist agenda still did these people blood reach today. Bini people will tell you that they own the entire West Africa. Bini people thought say now then get the entire South. Now then get Niger Delta. Which are all lies and fabrications. Those set of Anioma politicians and Anioma people that say that they don't want Anioma State to join the Southeast, they are not the reason about the Ika people where they are those states, waiting that they pass through for that place. This is why I said that selfish politicians only care about their pockets, not about their people that is suffering. We Anioma people, let's do everything possible and make sure that we get this Anioma State and bring back our brothers from Edo State back to Anioma land. These people are suffering in Edo State. See what you know about Bini they do. He don't want claim Ibanke, make he collect their land, make he collect their oil and gas for himself. As Oba of Bini talk this thing now, how many Ika people they oppose them? This is the problem with Ika people. These people are not united, but you go see them online, they talk say, Ika bofu, Ika na one. Deceiving themselves. If they say una dey united, una no go sit down, Oba of Bini go marginalize on our brother for Edo State. Audio unity everywhere. When Ibanke kings were suspended, no king for Ika land fit talk. Ika bloggers, they not talk. If no be as we stand up for Ibanke people, Oba of Bini for don't swallow Ibanke people. Audio unity that day Ika land, these people not like themselves. They are not deceiving themselves. As we there now, they speak up for una now. When I go say, hey, these people, they are deceiving themselves. Expansionists, Igbo expansionists, they should leave us alone. We are not Igbo people. Trap catch dog, make you come out dog for trap, you go they bite you. Now wetin they worry those set of people. Ukwane people wake up. Let's do everything possible and get Anioma State and bring out our brothers from Edo State to be part of us in Anioma. The only way we can actualize Anioma State is to zone Anioma State to the southeast. If to say those politicians for Ukwane land where they talk say they don't want to make Anioma State join southeast get sense. Ukwane land suppose develop. Our communities for Ukwane land go dey get light, development go dey. Our politicians in Ukwane land, those people are failure. Since 1991, where they create Delta State, now we did this Anioma land. We did for this south. Ukwane not they develop. We not they go front. Nothing the Ukwane land. Every region for Delta States, they do well pass Ukwane land. Ukwane will get enough crude oil. So when I say that the politicians that we have in Ukwane land are failures, they are failures. We Ukwane people, we want Anioma State to be actualized and zoned to the southeast. That is the only solution that we have to get this Anioma State. We need to develop Ukwane land. We need to join our southeast brothers to coexist and develop. When we get Anioma State, everything that comes for a state will come to Anioma people. It will come to Ukwane, Oshimili, Ika, and Anyocha people. Let's not spoil this thing that Senator Ned Nwoko is doing to see that we Anioma people succeed. Oba of Bini has no place in Ibanke land. Oba of Bini has no power in Ibanke land. Ibanke land does not belong to the Oba of Bini. He has no right, he has no power to tell the federal government not to cede the indigenous Igbos in Edo State back to Ika land. We will do everything possible and make sure that we stand by our Igbo brothers in Edo State. Ibanke people must join Anioma State. Iru people must join Anioma State. And there's nothing the Oba of Bini can do about it. Those politicians from Anioma where they fight the zoning of Anioma State to the southeast, you people should support the creation of Anioma State and the southeast zoning. Una get money, that's why una not they feel waiting average Anioma person they feel. If to say una poor, una for no waiting with they talk. But now una belle una they fine. Una they serve una Godfather Okowa. You people should wake up and stop using the life of we Anioma people to play politics. This is the only chance that we have. Our southeast governors, senators, and representatives, you people should stand with Senator Ned Nwoko and make sure that we actualize Anioma State and zone it to the southeast. You people should do all you can and make sure that Anioma State is what we get. We must get Anioma State. Anioma State must be actualized, and the indigenous Igbos in Edo State must be carved out from Edo State and join Anioma State where they belong. And nobody can stop it. Not even the Oba of Bini can stop it. Ishe Wale.